Alright, what's up guys? It's me. Yeah, the dirt bike's back. What is this? Alright, you know what? It's September and hunting season is already started like like Saturday. So what do you want to do with this? All the hunters are gone because I got neighbors on it, so they're all gone. We're gonna do this. You know how to do this, my sound test on this aftermarket header right here. This thing right here. Yeah. Alright. I got a comment on my sound test on this end cap. Everybody, this is a go-kart end cap. I had a go-kart, a Drift Dog go-kart. I take this end cap off, and then I take the screw and cut it, and I kind of cut it too much in the back. You can tell. I know it looks like crappy, but it sounds good. And I welded it back up, and this one sounds good. So we're doing a sound test on this thing and this stock. So which one's louder, and yeah, which one's louder, and you know the stock is kind of quiet. So we're gonna leave this right here. Dude, goggles, yeah, check this out, man. Goggles. Yeah, so I'm gonna lay this right here. You can hear my bike if you can't, I'm sorry. So I'm going around the area and back. So driving around. I don't know how much better I got because it was charging so. Get thumbs up. So today we're testing the stock one, and after that we're testing the aftermarket one. So I need to get my tools out. If I can. Tools, you need tools. You need an 8. You see the 8? So there's the stock. I'll be running around, so here we go. So that's the stock. We're doing the aftermarket one. So you just need your tools, so in your end cap, a go-kart. Stick How's about it going, huh? We're like waiting right here, and they don't anchor all. So how everybody's going right now? I'm doing fine today. Dude. Got this hand cap right here. Here's the ugly one. Here's the ugly one. I don't like quiet. I like it loud. That's what she said. Alright, I need this. Alright, this is aftermarket one. So yeah, it's a go-kart, so